Alright guys, so I got my slime that I made with my uncle. And we did the blindfold slime challenge. And,
hey, baby.
It's fun.
Hey.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, we was trying. I was trying to figure out what was going on.
No, I just I had take off my seat on Monday. I just no.
Hold on. Hold on.
Um,
Hello. Hello.
And I sell slime for $1. And if you want the big ones, then my uncle got give me $4 for the slime that I sold him. So
Where Keisha from?
right here, and wait.
Who got it?
Me!
Where's that?
Right here, I'm making my YouTube video.
Project